Welcome to Session 17. Fraction addition requires denominator work and sign control at the same time. The denominator sets the unit size and is never added to another denominator. Today you will rewrite subtraction, build a common denominator, combine signed numerators, simplify, and verify with benchmarks. To add -3/4 and +1/2, first use a common denominator. 1/2 becomes 2/4. Now, combine signed numerators. -3 plus +2 equals -1. Keep the common denominator 4, giving -1/4. The denominator remains 4 because the pieces are still fourths. With unlike signs, compare numerator magnitudes only after denominators match. Evaluate -5/6 plus 1/3. Step 1. Use sixths as the common unit. Step 2. Convert 1/3 to 2/6 and keep both signs visible. Step 3. Combine -5 plus +2 to get -3/6. Then simplify. Therefore, the sum is -1/2. Check. -5/6 plus about 2/6 should remain negative. Evaluate 7/8 minus -1/4. Step 1. Rewrite subtraction as addition of +1/4. Step 2. Convert 1/4 to 2/8. Step 3. Add 7/8 plus 2/8 to get 9/8. Therefore, the result is 9/8 or 1 1/8. Check. The answer exceeds 1 because two positive fractions were combined. A common error is adding denominators or changing both fraction signs. Denominators name unit size, so fourths plus fourths remain fourths. Use the correct method. Rewrite only the subtraction and second fraction, then combine signed numerators over a common denominator. Therefore, the method preserves equivalent fraction units. A recipe adjustment removes 3/4 of a cup and then restores 1/2 cup. Step 1. Model the changes as -3/4 plus +1/2. Step 2. Convert 1/2 to 2/4. Step 3. Combine -3/4 plus 2/4. Therefore, the net adjustment is -1/4 cup. Let us recap. Find a common denominator, combine signed numerators, and simplify. For a quick check, consider -2/3 plus 1/6. -4/6 plus 1/6 equals -3/6 or -1/2. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridge2exam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.